If you do print on demand, then let me show you a free and simple way to find niches which people are actually searching for. Now, what we're going to be using is this, which is the Google Keyword Planner. So if you come over to Google, type in Google Keyword Planner and scroll down to here, it's going to be this one just here. Then all you have to do is go through and sign up. Then you can use this completely for free. Now, if we go through like so, then click on Discover New Keywords, we're going to take away the United Kingdom, we're going to click Save, and now this is where the magic happens. So, what we want to do is come here and type in shirts about. Then we can put any niche that we want. Now, this is going to work with most niches. The bigger the niche, the better keywords that you're going to find. So with this, let's go with sarcasm. We're going to click enter, and now we want to click on get results. Now, recently I've been learning a lot about print on demand, and this method just here I came across. I believe it was on Income Stream Surfer's YouTube channel, which I highly suggest going through and checking out. Now, he hasn't actually created much information about print on demand for quite some time, but his older videos are absolutely golden. So again, go through and check him out. I believe it is Income Stream Surfers. So, nonetheless, let's take a look at this, because this is where we've got some really great information, and Google's going to give us lots of different quotes about sarcasm for t-shirts which people are actually searching for on Google. Now, this method is going to find you low competition niches that 9 times out of 10 are going to have anywhere from 10 to 1,000 monthly searches over on Google. So let's take a look. National Sarcasm Society. So that could be a niche that we could create a t-shirt around. So what we actually want to also do, if a niche looks good, is take that, we're going to copy it, we can come over to Redbubble. So Redbubble is the print-on-demand website which I'm currently using. I do plan on branching out, but this is what we're going to be using. Now, this can also be done with Etsy and many others as well. So what we're now going to do, we're on the home page, we're just going to type in that quote so we can see just how many searches there are for this here on Redbubble. Again, this can be done with Etsy, TeePublic, and many more. So, National Sarcasm Society. It only has 237 results here on Redbubble. So this is really, really low competition. Now let's take this over to Google as well, and let's type that in there and see if people are actually searching for t-shirts around this. So National Sarcasm Society, funny t-shirt, women's t-shirt. If we put shirt, we can see people are searching that as well because it's being auto-suggested. So if we actually click on one of these, we can search on the first page of Google to see if there's any Redbubble stores, Redbubble collections, or TeePublic, or wherever that you want to publish your t-shirt. So if we take a look, there isn't much on Redbubble. Yes, there is. So look at this. A collection of the National Sarcasm Society t-shirts, and from Redbubble. So this is actually showing up on the first page. So far, this keyword, this niche, looks pretty good. Now, there is a step that is really, really important that you should be doing as well, and that is checking for trademarks. Now, the easiest way to do this is by using Merch Informer's trademark check. So again, if you come over to Google, type in Merch Informer trademark check, it's going to be this one just here. Then when you go through, we're going to check all categories. So all we want to do is click search on there, and then this is where we can actually type in that quote. So if we put that in there, then click search, we can actually see with this National Sarcasm Society that there is a trademark for shirts, sweatshirts, tank tops, and t-shirts. So unfortunately, with this quote, we wouldn't actually want to make a t-shirt about this because this is trademarked. But we could technically create a sticker around this because there's no trademark for that. But this is just one keyword out of hundreds, and for sarcasm. So let's go ahead and take another look. So we got sarcasm t-shirts, National Sarcastic Society instead of sarcasm. We're going to leave that one. Let's keep scrolling through these. So there's one just here, sarcasm periodic table shirt. So we could actually take that, copy, come over to Redbubble or Etsy, TeePublic or anywhere like that. Let's go ahead and paste that in there and click enter. So there's actually 547 results for this. If we come over to Google and type that in there, look, people are looking for the shirt. So if we click on there and scroll down, look at that. The first one is Redbubble, and then the second is Etsy. So this is looking good. So again, now what we want to do is come over, and as we can see, there's no trademark for this. So this one, sarcasm periodic table, actually looks like a good niche. And if we come back over to here, for sarcasm periodic table shirt, there's 100 to 1,000 monthly searches over on Google. So this actually looks like a really great quote. Now if we scroll through this, we're going to see some more. Sarcastic comment loading. Now we could take this, we can copy, we can come over to Redbubble, Etsy or wherever, we can click that in there, click enter, 684 results. If we come over to Google, put that in there as well. Sarcastic comment loading shirt, if we click on there and scroll down, we can see that there's no Redbubble collections for this, but there is a Redbubble shirt just there. There's also Amazon and a few others. Now if we come over to the trademark check and put that in there and click enter, we can see there's no trademark for this either, and it has 10 to 100 monthly searches over on Google. Now again, this can work for any type of niche. So if we take this out and if we put shirts about, and then again, this can be anything. So you can do food, hobbies, absolutely anything to see what comes up. So we could even do something like bacon. So let's put that in actually to see what we get. We're going to click enter, click get results, and let's take a little look. So shirts about bacon, body by bacon, 10 to 100 monthly searches. Now here's a top tip for you as well, which I think I also learned from income stream surfers. If we do year change or 3-month change, we can actually see if any of these are trending on Google. So look at this. This one is, which is just bacon red, which I'm not too sure about that one. This one, rainbow bacon t-shirt Roblox. So because that's Roblox, I'd stick away from that. But right here, 900%, 900%. So with this one, there isn't really any trending, maybe here. So don't go bacon my heart. This is up 900% for the searches over the last 3 months. But let's go back to here. Let's do average monthly searches. So we got rainbow bacon. No, we're going to stay clear of that one. Making bacon gets 100 to 1k monthly searches. I love bacon, 100 to 1k monthly searches. Green bacon, I heart bacon. Kevin bacon, which you'd stay away from. Purple bacon. Beer, bacon, guns, freedom. Body by bacon. Don't go bacon my heart. Look at that. That's up 900% over the last 3 months. So, as you can see, this is a great, simple and free way to find in-demand quotes for t-shirts which people are actually searching for on Google. So come through, check this method out because it's so simple and so easy, and always remember to check for trademarks if you find some quotes that you're going to use. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.